Hey guys, welcome back to another video. This is Lester Diaz, and this is more of a follow-up video to a previous video that I made a few weeks ago talking about one of my favorite YouTubers, Graham Stephan. Now, if you haven't watched that video, go ahead and watch that video because I actually break down the process of how he was able to go from zero to making over $40,000 per month on YouTube just on the ad revenue alone. I actually break it down for you, show you the steps that he took to grow his channel to over 500,000 subscribers. This is the same process and the same techniques that I'm applying to my own YouTube channel to grow my views, to grow my subscribers. And the reason why I'm making this follow-up video today is because a few days ago he actually published a brand new video where he actually revealed exactly how much money he made for 10 million views in the past 30 days. And I was completely blown away. I was way off in terms of the number on how much money he actually made. In terms of YouTubers, I've never seen a YouTuber share exactly how much money they made when they get millions and millions of views, because it tends to be a big number and most people don't realize the big opportunities behind YouTube and how much money you can make not only with the ad revenue but also as an affiliate marketer and promoting affiliate products and services on YouTube. But today I want to talk about just the ad revenue alone because I was blown away, because if someone can do this that just started 2 years ago uploading videos on YouTube, anyone can do it. It's a matter of consistency, putting up the work, and actually making videos that people want to watch. So this is exactly how much money Graham Stephan made in the past 30 days with over 10 million views to his YouTube channel. As you can see, over $100,000 earned in the last 30 days with over 10 million views. And this number actually keeps going up because he has multiple videos with over 1 million views so far. Now, this exact video where he showed exactly how much money he made has over 300,000 views so far. People want to be able to see if YouTube is actually a good opportunity for someone who wants to make a full-time living, either promoting affiliate products, launching your own products, or just making money with the YouTube ad revenue program. And as you can see, Graham Stephan has proven that it is possible to make 6 figures or 7 figures per year on YouTube if you actually know exactly what to do. Every single month, I try to share exactly how much money I make on YouTube. It's nowhere close to how much money Graham Stephan actually makes on his YouTube channel. In fact, I believe he makes more in an hour with his YouTube channel that I make in an entire month with my ad revenue. But that's the point. Anyone can jump into this. When he actually started, he was talking about this in the video, he was making $1 per day in the first 3.5 months of launching his YouTube channel. So this is definitely something that you can do if you wanted to make, $1,000 per month, $5,000, $10,000 per month, or $100,000 per month. It is possible. So I'm going to link to the full video below for you to watch it. When I see videos like this, I get motivated to continue to post videos, to continue to grow my brand, not because of the money, but because of the possibilities that you have in your hand. Everyone has the same opportunities when it comes to YouTube. If you put up the work, if you're consistent, if you actually enjoy making videos and creating content that people want to watch and actually provide value to the marketplace, YouTube will actually reward you for your hard work. I have watched many of his videos and I've spent many hours studying exactly the type of videos that he makes, how he actually structures his videos, and everything behind on how he's been able to grow his YouTube channel to over 500,000 subs. So that way I can take some of that information and use it on my own YouTube channel, grow my YouTube channel to 10,000, 20,000, or 100,000 subscribers by simply doing something that you love doing already. Because if you love doing videos and you can get paid for doing videos. So again guys, this was just a follow-up video for my previous video, which I highly recommend that you watch. I'm gonna put a link below for that video, mainly because I do break down the process of how he's been able to do this. Hopefully you can take some of that information and apply it to your own YouTube channel. If you're uploading videos on YouTube, you can utilize some of these tips to make more money, not just with affiliate marketing, but also with the YouTube ad revenue program, because there's a real opportunity, as you can see, to make some serious money on YouTube. Now, of course, that doesn't mean that you should depend entirely on just the YouTube ad revenue alone. This is something that I don't recommend. The YouTube ad revenue program is something that should be extra to your YouTube channel. The real money maker should be your affiliate marketing products and services that you're promoting on your YouTube channel, because that could make you consistent income, and that could actually make you way more money than just the YouTube ad revenue. You should always be looking for different ways to monetize your YouTube channel, and affiliate marketing, in my opinion, is the best way to do that. So if you want to learn how to do that, download my free affiliate marketing guide below. I talk about different ways that you can make money with affiliate marketing, including Facebook and YouTube and other stuff. And hopefully you can take this information, apply it to your YouTube channel or to whatever it is that you're doing to make more money online. So with that said, guys, thank you very much for watching this video. Like I said, this was just a follow-up video. I was basically inspired to make this video because I was blown away by how much money he actually made, and that was just motivation for me to continue to provide value to the marketplace, to create videos that people want to watch. Hopefully, if you're watching this video, if you've been subscribed to my YouTube channel, then you have gained at least some value that has helped you in your online business. So if you like this video, give me a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed already, what are you waiting for? Subscribe, because I post videos like this every single week. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video.